Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel HKC Math Tutorial. In my first video, we learned functions, types of functions and their definitions. In this video, we are going to take problems related to them which are there in NCERT textbook. Let me begin this video. Problem number 1. Let A be the set of all 50 students of a class 10 in a school. Let f from a to n be a function defined by f of x equals roll number of a student x. Show that f is 1, 1 but not onto. Consider a relationship diagram for this function. Let domain A is set of all 50 students in a class and codomain n is the set of all natural numbers. The relation f from a to n is roll number of a student x. So each student having 1 roll numbers, no two different students in a class can have same roll number. Therefore, f must be 1. For onto function, look at codomain which is an infinite set. Only 50 elements are roll numbers, other elements are not roll numbers. So, the range of this function is not equal to codomain. Hence, this function is not onto. Otherwise, at least any one element in the codomain which is not having an image of any element in the domain, that function is not onto function. So, our conclusion is no two different students in the class can have same roll number. Therefore, f is 1. And range of the function f is not equal to codomain because an element 51 in the codomain is not a roll number of any student in the class. Therefore, this function is not onto function. Hence, this function is 1, but not onto. Next, problem number 2. Let set A equals 1, 2, 3, set B equals 4, 5, 6, 7 and the function f equals set of ordered pairs 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6 be a function from A to B. Show that f is 1. Given that set A equals 1, 2, 3, set B equals 4, 5, 6, 7 and the function f from A to B is given by f equals 1 to 4, 2 to 5, 3 to 6. Take relationship diagram for this function. The domain A is set 1, 2, 3, codomain B is set 4, 5, 6, 7 and the function f from A to B is 1 to 4, 2 to 5, 3 to 6. So from this relation, it is clear that no two different elements have same images. Distinct elements have distinct images. Hence the function f is 1. Next, problem number 3. Show that the function f from n to n given by f of 1 equals f of 2 equals 1 and f of x is x minus 1 for every x greater than 2 is onto but not 1. Given f from natural number to natural number and f of x is x minus 1 for x is greater than 2. For x is 1 and 2, f of 1 is equal to 1, f of 2 is also equal to 1. That is f of 1 equals 1, f of 2 equals 1. Look at a condition of 1 function. For every x1, x2 belongs to a domain, if f of x1 equals to f of x2, that implies x1 equals x2. If the function is not 1, that means f of x1 equals to f of x2, but x1 is not equal to x2. Here, f of 1 equals to 1, f of 2 is also equal to 1. That means f of 1 is equal to f of 2. It is of the form f of x1 equals f of x2, but 1 is not equal to 2. Hence, this function is not 1 function. Look at onto condition. For every y belongs to B, there exists x belongs to A such that f of x equals y. This means y is the image of x. So, for every element y belongs to codomain, there exists x belongs to domain such that f of x equals y. So, given y belongs to codomain not equal to 1 such that f of x equals y, f of x is given x minus 1. This implies x minus 1 equals to y. Y is natural number, y plus 1 is also natural number, hence x belongs to domain n. Hence the condition of onto function, this function is onto. So hence this function is onto but not 1 1. Next, problem number 4. Show that the function f from n to n given by f of x equals 2x is 1 1 but not onto. Given f from natural number to natural number and f of x equals 2x. Look at a relationship diagram for this function. The domain n is set of all natural numbers. The codomain n is also set of all natural numbers, and the relation f from n to n is f of x equals 2x. If we take x is equal to 1, that becomes 2 into 1, 2. If we take x is equal to 2, that becomes 2 into 2, 4. If we take x is equal to 3, that becomes 2 into 3, 6. Clearly, this function is 1 1 function. To prove this function is 1 1, take the condition of 1 1 function. For every x1, x2 belongs to natural number, f of x1 equals f of x2. F of x is given, that is 2x. F of x1 is 2x1. F of x2 is 2x2. This implies x1 equals x2. Hence, f of x1 equals f of x2. That implies x1 equals x2. Hence, the condition of 1 1 function, this function is 1 1. For onto function, look at a relationship diagram. Here, every element in the codomain are not images. Take an element in the codomain which is not an image of any element of domain and write like this. This means an element 1 belongs to codomain. There does not exist any element in the domain such that f of x equals 1. That means 1 is not an image of any element. Hence, this function is not onto function, or otherwise take the range of this function f, which is equal to set of all even numbers. This is not equal to codomain, hence this function is not onto. So this function is 1 1 but not onto. Next, problem number 5. Show that the function f from R to R given by f of x equals 2x is 1 1 and onto. Look at the difference between previous question and this question. There it was f from natural number to natural number. Here that replaced by real number to real number. And that function was 1 1 but not onto. But here this supposed to be 1 1 and onto. Given f from real number to real number and f of x equals 2x, to show that f is 1 1, take the condition of 1 1 function. For every x1, x2 belongs to R, f of x1 equals f of x2. Given f of x is 2x, f of x1 is 2x1, f of x2 is 2x2. This implies x1 equals x2. Hence, the condition of 1 1 function f of x1 equals f of x2, that implies x1 equals x2. This function is 1 1. For onto function, given y belongs to codomain such that f of x equals y, given f of x equals 2x, so this implies 2x equals y. That becomes x equals y by 2. Y is real number, y by 2 is also real number. Hence, x belongs to real number domain. That means f is onto function. Therefore, this function f from R to R given by f of x equals 2x is both 1 1 and onto. If the function is both 1 1 and onto, that function is called as bijective function. So I conclude this video here. In next video, we are going to take some more problems. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.